how to see deleted messages on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you few ways to check messages that were deleted. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, step 1 is to check the Google backup. So here, simply open the settings app and now from here, simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now here, once you are in the section, just tap on All Services tab at the top, and from here you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on the backup option. And here, if the SMS backup is turned on, then you can restore deleted messages from your latest backup. This works if you have been backing up your messages regularly. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check the archived messages. So here, some messaging apps like the Google Message and the Samsung Message archive message instead of deleting them. So there you can simply go to the app and go to the archived messages, and you might find your deleted chats there. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to use the notification history. So here you can simply go to the settings app, and now from here you simply have to tap on notification and cloud control, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on notification history and enable it. So here, as you can see, I don't have this feature in my mobile, but if you have, then you can simply enable it. And that's it. That is some ways to see deleted messages on Android phone. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.